Mechanics. Hope you all are having a wonderful quarantine. So, what I decided to do is instead of putting up individual days, I'm going to give you the assignment for the week, or the group of assignments for the week. They're posted right here. This would be your view on Canvas, March 30th to April 3rd. Hopefully, if you are watching this, you must have clicked on March 30th, April 3rd directions, and you're watching this video right now listening to me. So, what I want you to do is I want you to open up the PDFs here. So, if we click on the carburation and fuel injection PDF, open it. It's going to take a little bit of time to load. It's not a small PDF. What I want you to do is I'm not going to tell you to read this whole thing word for word, but skim through the chapter, get an idea of what it's talking about, and then we're going to move on to the quiz. As you can see, this is taking a while to load. It will load, I promise it will. But this will give you an idea of what the assignment is going to be on, and it's going to give you a decent amount of background in order to get through everything. Now from there, I'm going to click out of this even though this hasn't loaded up yet. It will. I promise it will. I just don't want to, oh, hey, look, if you awkwardly sit here, it loads. So I want you to work through this and just I understand that you're going to have questions about this and that this is just asking you to teach yourself. I promise you the questions on the quiz and everything are not going to be so in-depth that you won't be able to get this done and get a good grade on it. So I'm going to go back to home here. So that was the carburation and fuel injection PDF. So we're going to go into the quiz here right now. Let me reset my student here so it pulls up exactly what you guys will be looking at. So you'll go into here, it'll say take the quiz. Click on take the quiz. If you read the instructions here, I said that there's a video embedded here. So what this video does is it breaks down the chapter some and goes through what the parts of the carburetor is and things like that. So what I want you to do is I want you to click on and watch the video. And as you're watching the video, go through and answer the questions. So you're going to be starting and stopping this quite a bit of times. This one, or chapter 9, has only one video in it. Chapter 10 has 3 different videos in it. So if you look here, 25 questions, it's 25 points. The way that I'm going to run this for either whether we get back into school or not, I have no idea. Or get back into the school or not, I have no idea. But this is the tentative way that I'm going to make this work. Each chapter is going to be worth 25 points. We're going to do 2 chapters a week. There's going to be readings and then videos embedded into quizzes like this so that you can go through and you can see what needs to be done. You can get the reading in order to get everything, to get your base understanding. And then there'll be videos that are posted in the quizzes for you to work through that will give you hopefully a more in-depth understanding or at least a better explanation of what I'm looking for in the questions. Use the video to help you with the questions. It will make your life much, much simpler. I understand when it comes to carburation and fuel injection, believe it or not, there are not amazing videos out there of how this all works. And I can't or not capable of giving you guys the greatest explanation because I can't stand in front of you and physically show you this and explain all of this to you. So this is what's going to have to work. So hopefully you guys all have that understanding. So your goal is to get chapter 9 and chapter 10 done this week. Both are worth 25 points. As they get done, I will give credit and give points as they get done. If you have any questions or for some reason this isn't working, I believe I got all of the videos approved, so they should all load up. They should all work. If I don't, please let me know. I'll get it fixed and we'll get moved on from there. So hopefully this works for everybody. If you have not gotten your stuff from Blaster U done, get it done. There's points for that. Those points go on last semester. As of Wednesday, or this coming Wednesday, which would be the 1st, I will be putting zeros in for that. So going forward, I need you guys to get all of this done every week. It should not be a problem. If there are any problems, email me. I have my office hours set up to be 10 to 11. I will have my computer out near me most of the day. I will have it on. I will be getting notifications if I get emails. So if you have any questions, hit me up with an email and we'll work through that. So hopefully you guys are taking care, having at least staying sane, getting outside and doing something so that you're not going absolutely stir crazy. And get these done, and there will be new stuff posted next weekend for the following week. Take care, guys.